My Korean pronunciation is terrible.
실례합니다. 대범감 있어요?
레몬.
대범감.
An easy way to start learning Korean is to start with Konglish. Coffee, copy. Handphone, handphone. But sometimes when Korean is translated to English, there's a few errors. In Korean, the L and the R are sometimes muddled up. So in this case, the rooftop cafe is Looftop Cafe. I'm gonna head to the rooftop now to chat with Harry and learn some useful Konglish words. Harry's here and she's gonna help me with some Konglish words.
Yay!
Be a bit more enthusiastic.
Yay!
Brilliant. We went camping 2 weeks ago. If you need to cook something on a gas range, what's a gas range called?
가스레인지.
Ah, gas range.
가스레인지.
What if you're driving in America by the ocean and you want to get your convertible top down?
오픈카.
Oh, open car. Do you know David Attenborough?
몰라.
What if you want to watch a documentary? What's documentary in Korean?
다큐.
다큐 보고 싶어요. Okay, so behind us here, you can see an apartment. How do you call apartment in Korean?
아파트.
아파트. 아파트. This is a very important one. When you come to Korea, you're definitely going to want to eat a sandwich. How do you say sandwich?
샌드위치.
Sandwichy. How do you say pizza?
피자.
Pizza.
피자.
Sandwichy pizza.
아. 햄버거.
Hamburger. How about McDonald's?
맥도날드.
McDonald's. See guys, Konglish is easy.
We have a shortened way. 맥날.
Mengnao. Mengnao?
맥날.
So it's like Mucky D's. You say Mengnao.
Oh.
Why Mengnao?
맥도날드. We picked 2 words. 맥날. 맥도날드. 맥날.
As you can see, the best way to learn Korean is to learn Konglish.
Is it?
Yeah. You can order a sandwich. You can order a pizza. What if you're going to go meet a girl or a guy for a first date, like a blind date?
미팅.
Meeting.
Oh, I know a good one. Empty.
Empty?
Empty. Guess what it is?
Like empty?
I go to empty.
What? I go to empty. Something's empty?
No.
Empty?
No, MT. The
Oh, the
character.
letters.
Yeah, the letters.
MT. What does MT mean?
M-N-T.
My teeth.
Yeah, something like that. Guess,
Is it?
Guess
Oh, my tits. My tits.
You don't know what it is?
Yeah, please.
Membership training.
Membership training.
I go to membership
Oh, so
training.
it's like team training, like at work. You
Yeah,
have
workshop.
MC.
So it can be for like university students, like, oh, MT 가자.
MT gacha.
Yeah, MT 가자. Then it means literally just rent a room or house for like a bunch of people and then just drink. It's just literally just drink soju, so my soju.
What's that got to do with training or membership?
Nothing. Just drinking together means training.
Oh, what about the healing one? Healing.
Healing.
If you have like a scratch or something, or a scar and you fall down, you need to heal.
You need to heal.
It's healing. But what's healing in Korea?
In Korea, healing means like rest your body in peace.
So what are you doing this weekend? Healing.
Yeah, healing. 힐링 하고 싶어.
Healing 하고 싶어요. I want to do healing.
You know what health is?
Health.
Health. 나 헬스 갈 거야. 나 헬스 가야 돼.
Health.
가야 돼. 헬스 가야 돼.
I need to go somewhere.
헬스.
Health.
Guess what?
Oh, health. Like
health.
Health.
Yeah. What does it mean in Korea?
Oh, the gym. You need to go to the
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Health.
I need to go to the gym. It means 헬스 가야 돼 in Korea.
So if you want to go to the gym, you say, I need to go to health.
맞아.
Let's go to health and healing. Healing랑 health 가야 돼요. 맞아? Quick break and we'll go to the streets, and there's lots of places where they've got an English name that doesn't make any sense. So we'll go to the streets and we'll show you some shop names that make no sense. Harry, what do you want to do today?
I want a chicken.
What's that mean?
Voilà.
Oh, Harry, I really like your hair.
Thank you.
Look at me. Take out discount. A paint and a student. As if that are all. Are you looking for a place to live? Do you like soup? Would you like to live in a castle? How about Da Soup Castle? Are you hungry for some lamb meat? These balls? These balls. We're back.
Already?
Wow.
That was quick.
We didn't even leave. So, you know, people now like to watch YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. New videos every Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays. Videos uploaded at 7 PM. I'm a travel vlogger currently living in South Korea, making videos about Seoul. And everyone loves to watch the YouTube, but people used to watch the television. How do you say television?
TV.
TV. TV. TV 주세요.
There's a T and V, but we call it TV. TV 볼래. Aircon.
Also, you might have noticed Koreans love to do this like a seal. Ah.
Did I?
All the time you do this. Oh. Whenever you remember anything, it's like this. Oh. Oh.
리모컨.
Well, it's easy. Remote control.
맞아.
You're doing it again.
리모컨.
TV remote control이에요. How about a dress?
A dress.
Like
one
when
piece. With like pleats.
One Piece.
One piece.
Like the TV
With
show, The
one
Pirates.
piece.
To finish the video, let's do a quick review of the Konglish we've learned today. Harry? TV, remote con, open car, pizza, sandwich, coffee, 핸드폰, 아파트, aircon, 다큐, health, healing. If you've enjoyed the video, click like, subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I've got a super sexy video coming when I get there. Hope you've enjoyed it. 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
조심해 난 해적다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와 머리 없어 빛나리 우는 쌍둥이 얘는 조던이지
김치 감자탕에서 eat that